In March 2026, Russia took an important step in advanced semiconductor technology. Applications opened for its first contract-based production of photonic integrated circuits using a multi-project wafer format. Altitude Addicts, the YouTube channel presenting this analysis, explains that this marks a major milestone. It reflects Russia's push to build a domestic photonics ecosystem. The initiative is led by Bauman Moscow State Technical University in partnership with VNIIA. Together, they are creating a shared platform for chip design and fabrication. This platform allows startups, researchers, and companies to build photonic chips. Importantly, they do not need their own fabrication facilities. To understand why this matters, we can look at the core technology behind the project. It is based on silicon nitride, often called SiN. Altitude Addicts explains that silicon nitride is known for extremely low optical loss. This allows light to travel efficiently within chips. This property is essential for applications like optical communication and sensing. It also supports quantum technologies. The process achieves very precise specifications. The minimum feature size is 70 nanometers. The minimum spacing is 200 nanometers. The waveguide thickness is 220 nanometers. Altitude Addicts notes that these parameters enable compact and efficient photonic devices. They are suitable for both research and industry. One of the most notable aspects of the program is accessibility. The pilot run is fully funded for Russian scientific teams. Participants can receive fabricated chips without paying manufacturing costs. This lowers the barrier to entry. Each participant can receive up to 100 chip units. These are based on custom designs. Altitude Addicts explains that this encourages experimentation. More ideas can be tested in real hardware. This initiative uses the multi-project wafer model. This is a well-known concept in semiconductor manufacturing. Multiple designs from different users are combined on a single wafer. After fabrication, each user receives their portion. This approach reduces costs significantly. Expenses are shared among participants. Altitude Addicts notes that this model has been widely used globally. It supports innovation in photonics. By introducing this system domestically, Russia reduces reliance on foreign infrastructure. It strengthens local capabilities. The platform also provides a design library of standard components. These include waveguides, couplers, and resonators. These components simplify the design process. They allow complex circuits to be built more easily. Altitude Addicts explains that the system supports operation at 1550 nanometers wavelength. This is important for fiber optic communication. Thermo-optic modulators are also included. They operate at frequencies above 10 kHz. Each chip also includes test structures. These allow accurate performance measurement. Altitude Addicts notes that users receive detailed measurement data. This helps evaluate designs. Beyond fabrication, the program offers full support. This includes design, modeling, and packaging. The Quantum Park team at Bauman University provides this assistance. It covers the entire development cycle. This support is especially useful for new participants. It simplifies complex processes. Altitude Addicts explains that some projects may even reach full system assembly. This speeds up commercialization. This initiative is part of a larger national program. It falls under the Priority 2030 framework. The goal is to combine different computing technologies. These include classical, quantum, and photonic systems. Photonic chips play a key role in this vision. They use light instead of electricity. Altitude Addicts highlights their advantages. They offer higher speed and lower energy use. They also generate less heat. This is critical for future computing. The applications of this technology are wide-ranging. They extend across many industries. These include telecommunications, quantum computing, and sensing. They also include lidar and medical diagnostics. Altitude Addicts notes that photonic chips are highly versatile. They are becoming foundational technology. This initiative also improves global competitiveness. It positions Russia in the photonics sector. By offering domestic fabrication, innovation can grow locally. Dependence on foreign systems is reduced. Altitude Addicts explains that demand for photonics is rising. This is driven by artificial intelligence and data centers. As demand grows, such platforms become more important. They enable faster development cycles. In conclusion, the launch of this program marks a new phase in technological development. It combines advanced materials and accessible manufacturing. Altitude Addicts concludes that photonics represents the future of computing and communication. This initiative is a major step toward that future. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share, and like. Also, please take the membership of Altitude Addicts to encourage us.